what kind of practices do you have now? And do you suggest that others do in order to have the sort of the qualities that you just mentioned?
Yeah. I collect senior dogs and I highly recommend everybody adopt senior dogs. They are my direct connection to divine, beautiful, centered, calm, sweet, loving energy, unconditionally loving energy. And I'm not even joking. I really do want to encourage people to do that, adopt an animal. They are pure positive frequency, pure positive,
Yeah.
loving energy, right? You know this. We
Yes,
were
I know. I have two, like I mentioned earlier, two lying up on the bed right now.
Yeah, yeah. And I used to teach my kids when they would come home from school and they might have had a hard day or maybe they had a rough conversation with a friend and they'd be upset. I would say, go find a dog, put your heart, hug the dog, put your heart against the dog. Let that dog drain out whatever is
Mhm.
bothering you, disturbing you, distressing you. And sometimes they'd say, well, I don't want to give my stress to Rocket. And I'd say, no,
Yeah.
Rocket's not going to take it. He's going to drain it right into the earth.
Right.
That's why he's so close to the earth. And what he's going to give you in return is going to be so much light and love and
Mhm.
purpose. And it works. So if you have a companion animal or you can get your heart near one and just breathe and be calm and be in presence with that animal, that's perfect, just on cue.
Just on cue.
It's beautiful. Also, to me, the natural world is essential. I cannot channel clearly and well if I'm disconnected from nature. We are nature. It's not that we walk upon nature. We actually are it. We're stardust. We're
Yes, yes.
everything that's ever been. And so I go out in my garden multiple times a day and I do a practice called earthing, barefoot on the ground, releasing energy, drawing up beautiful energy, noticing the butterflies, the dragonflies, the pollinators, the fruits in my garden. Like it's magic out there. I hug trees. This is one of my practices too. I meditate, very important. I use mala beads for mantras,
Mhm.
also really helpful. I have amazing friendships. I have true friendships that are built on trust, on integrity. And that is also really important to me being a clear channel because I have people in my life who hold the vision with me of who I am, of where I'm going, of how I want to be in the world, and show up for that. So those are just a few. Oh, dark chocolate. Definitely. I'm serious.
Love
I
it.
cannot channel well if the chocolate jar is empty.
Right, right. That's great.